Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you a revision in science for 7th standard. This is your annual revision, children. So already we have completed the lessons. Now we are going to start the annual revision. Those are having the book, open your book. That is first lesson what I took for you. That is the fifth lesson, animals in daily life. Now we are going to continue now. So first from all the 4 lessons. So what are the 4 lessons? First lesson is animals in daily life. Okay. Then next we are going to take is chemistry in daily life. Second lesson is chemistry. First is animals in daily life, children. I'll write the lesson here, okay? Animals in daily life. This will be your first lesson, okay? Then second lesson we will see that is chemistry in daily life. This is your 5th lesson and this is your 4th lesson. That is chemistry in daily life. Okay, chemistry in daily life, and then polymer chemistry, that is 3rd lesson, polymer chemistry, and first lesson light. So all this 4 lesson, okay, all this 4 lesson you will have for your annual revision. Now we are going to revise, okay? So those who have the book can take first animals in daily life, page number 90. Okay, what number 90? Okay, first we'll see choose the correct answer from all the 4 lessons. We'll complete like that, okay? First choose the correct answer. Page number 90 you can take. This all the 4 lessons. Page number 90 first. Choose. Okay. In that first one, dash is a daily essential product which is obtained from cattle. Answer is first one B, milk. B, milk. Okay. Then second one, eggs are rich in dash. That is A, protein. A, protein. Then third, which part of the goat and sheep is used for manufacturing clothes? That is hair. Okay. C, hair. Then next we'll see fill in the blanks, children. Okay, this lesson is over from this. Choose one over. And next we are going to see what lesson I have written on the board. Next is chemistry in daily life. So that is chemistry in daily life. Take page number 78. Page number 78. First choose. That is page number 78 I said, right? Page number 78 choose. First one, a drug effective in the treatment of pneumonia and bronchitis is C, penicillin. C, penicillin. Then second, then second, aspirin. Aspirin is B, antipyretic. Antipyretic. Okay, B. Whatever I am taking now for this revision, this will come for your annual. From this only you will get for your annual exam. Okay. Then third, dash are that neutralize stomach acid. That is A, antacid. What is the question? That is dash are that neutralize stomach acid. Then fourth, the lowest temperature at which a substance catch the fire is called its D, ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. Okay. Then next is, which is the hottest part in the flame of a candle? A, blue. A, blue. Okay. So this lesson over. Then next we'll go to the what lesson? What is the third lesson? I said polymer chemistry. Okay. Now polymer chemistry. Choose the correct answer. That is page number 62. All this choose only I am taking for you. Okay. First man-made fiber is C, rayon. C, rayon. Man-made fiber is rayon. Which of the following is the strongest? B, nylon. Then third, when you place a natural fiber in a flame, it B, burns. Okay. Then 4. A synthetic fiber which has similar properties of wool is C, acrylic. That is, listen the question carefully, children. Okay. Then fifth one you don't have. Okay. Then 6. Dash is a non-biodegradable material. So answer is B, a plastic bottle. A plastic bottle. Okay. Then 7th, PET is the acronym for, that is 7th one, C. So what is PET full form? Polyethylene terephthalate. Okay. Polyethylene terephthalate. Okay. This is your 7th choose. Now this 7. Okay. This is over. Now next you are going to go to the first lesson, light. Okay. In this, choose it's over. Okay. Next, this is the first page number 19. Page number 19 from the first lesson, light. Okay. First one, light travels only in a dash. It is because of that properties that dash are formed. That is B, straight line. 2 dashes there. Okay. Shadows. Okay. You understand now. This is the first one. Second, light that hits a mirror gets dash. B, reflected. B, reflected. Then third, dash surface reflects the light well. That is C, mirror. Then 4. Light is a form of dash. Light is a form of dash. B, energy. Then fifth no need, children. We'll go to the 6th. Okay. Choose a translucent substance from the following. That is D, clouds. Then 7. Reflection occurs when the light, that is B, approaches a surface. Approaches a surface. Then 8. Which of the following is the best reflector of light? That is B, plane mirror. Then 9. 9th also no need. Then 10th. The image formed by a pinhole camera is inverted because, so no, 9th I have not given for you. Okay, 10th, A. Light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Okay, this is your 10th. Then 11th. Which of the following facts explain how shadows are formed? That is, answer is A, both A and B. Both A and B. Okay, children, only choose is there. That's all. Okay. So choose what we have written, that is, this is your fifth lesson. Okay, fifth lesson. This is your fourth lesson, and this is third lesson, and this is your first lesson. Choose. Okay, whatever given, even the numbers also don't change the numbers, children. Some of them I have omitted in between, that is 8, 9th I have not given, 10 I have given. So you also have to write whatever I am writing on the board. Okay, 10 means 10, 8 means 8, like that. 8 after that, 9 you should not write because I have not given 9th, that is 10th. Okay, so take down this properly or check your book. Now next we are going to go to the fill in the blanks. Again from the fifth lesson. Okay, did you all understand this, children? Have you checked your book and marked it? Listen to me clearly when I am taking the class, and I am telling you the answers. So this is your annual revision, okay? From this only you will get for your annual exam. So learn for the exam properly. Next we are going to go to the fill in the blanks. First lesson, lesson 5, okay? From the animals in daily life. Fill up. Proteins and dash is rich in milk, that is calcium. Okay. Then dash is extracted from bee hives, honey. Then anthrax. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Bacillus anthracis. Okay, take down neatly, children, and without making any spelling mistakes. Fourth, dash is the strongest natural fiber, silk. Then fifth one, peace silk. Peace silk was produced in the year 1992. Okay, this was from your fifth lesson. Then next we will go to the fourth lesson now. Okay. Fourth lesson fill up, that is chemistry in daily life. Okay, lesson 4, fill up. First, penicillin was first discovered by Alexander Fleming. Then second one, World ORS Day is July 29. World ORS Day is July 29. Then combustion is a chemical reaction in which a substance react with dash, that is oxidizing agent. Okay. Then fourth, in the presence of water, the ignition temperature of paper is not reached. Then fifth one, fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water. Okay, this is your lesson 4. Now we are going to go to lesson 3. Okay, children, lesson 3. Now fill in the blanks. That is page number 62. Page number 62. Dash is an example for polyester fabric. First, raincoat. Example for polyester fabric, raincoat. Dash are used to identify different types of plastics, resin coats. Then a dash is a long chain made up of many repeated small units called monomers, that is polymer. Okay. Then fourth, a natural fiber is called plant fiber. A natural fiber is called plant fiber. Then fifth one, a natural fiber obtained by boiling cocoons is called silk. Okay, so this is lesson 3, and next we'll go to the lesson 1. So lesson 1 we'll go now. So lesson 1, fill in the blanks, that is page number 20. Okay, Page number 20. First one. A plane mirror produces a dash image, that is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Okay. Then a dash reflection helps us to see the objects, that is regular. Then number 3. The light ray gets dash when it falls on any polished surface. Reflected. Sunlight is a blend of dash colors. 7 colors. The splitting of white light into 7 colors is called dispersion. Dispersion. Okay. Then the moon dash sunlight. Reflects sunlight. And 7. The sunlight can be split into its constituent colors using prism. Okay. Reflection of light from rough surface is called dash reflection. Irregular reflection. So this is from the 4 lessons, student. Okay, all these fill-ups. That is lesson 5. Fill-up is here. Lesson 4, lesson 3 and lesson 1. This is 4 lessons. Fill-ups I have given. Then these 4 lessons we have completed. Next we will go to the true or false. Okay. Otherwise we will finish analogy. Okay. Next we will go to the analogy. So you have completed this, student. Next, that is lesson 5, analogy. That is page number 91. That is first page number 91, Roman number 5. You can see, children, analogy. Water pipe, electric current is wire. That is first one. Second one, copper is a conductor. Wood is non-conductor. Wood, non-conductor. Then 3, length, meter scale, current, ampere. Current, ampere. Then milliampere, microampere. 10 to the power of minus 3a is 10 to the power of minus 6a. This is from the 5th lesson. Then 4th lesson, analogy. That is lesson 4, analogy. That is in page number 79. Okay, children, page number 79. Inner zone of flame is black. Outer zone of flame is blue. Then second one, tincture is antiseptic. Tincture, antiseptic. And cysteamine is a chemical messenger. Chemical messenger. It's a chemical messenger. So lesson 4 we have completed this. Then next is lesson 3. In this lesson 3, analogy. Cotton, natural. Polyester is synthetic. Polyester is synthetic. Then second one, PLA spoon, compostable. Plastic spoon, disposable. And silk is burning on heating. Burning on heating. Okay, this is a 3rd lesson, analogy. And first lesson, I think there is no analogy for you. So with this, we'll finish this, children. That is, choose, fill in the blanks and analogy. I'll finish in this class. So in the next class, we'll continue with true or false and math, children. Okay, so we have to learn this for your annual exam. From this revision you will get. Okay. Thank you, children. We'll continue in the next class. Okay.